We are at the GWK Cultural Park where the big Wisnu statue is. So we're just going to go in, check it out. Yeah, we'll come and pass here. We thought, bugger it, I'll do a video and come in and check it out. So this is the entranceway off the Uluwatu Road. So it's a fair way in off Uluwatu Road. It's got some really nice gardens out. It sort of reminds you a little bit of Nusa Dua. Anyway, when we get through the gates, I'll get back to you. Right. There's the big statue up there. Apparently you've got a visitor parking in here. Turn off to the left. And apparently there's like a little tram or bus or something that takes you up to the statue where you buy your tickets. So this is in here. I suppose that's a little bus you get on to go up the top of the hill. Motor parking. Yeah. Alright, so you pay here before you come in, a little parking area, 5,000. This is our friendly parker helping us park here. And then I think you get on a bus and they take you up, or you can walk, I'm not sure. You see the big statue up here. So there's a little warungs and souvenir shops and that here right next to the car park. And I think we go up here and just wait. You might have to wait till the bus is full, I don't know, it might be better just walking up there. Yeah, there's some nice little souvenir shops and stuff here, warungs. Or you get dropped off and walk down here to the little shuttle bus. Takes you up to the top. Alright, so just jump on the bus. They take you up. Hello, Blake.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Alright, so it's a little open bus, which is good. Okay, so I've got my drone with me. I'm not sure whether you can drone up here, but I'm going to get it out and have a go anyway. See if we can drone the big statue. So it's a fair walk. It'd be a fair walk up here, I suppose, but you can walk or get the bus. It's good. It's just opened up, so it's really quiet, which is good. You'll be able to have a good look without too many people around. So I've actually never ever been in here before, and I've been up the top and droned it like years ago, just after they finished building it, but I've never actually been in here and had a look around, so yeah, someone will come past. We just thought we'd stop in for an hour or so and have a look. Alright, dang, this is a checkpoint. They just do a security checkpoint. There's these statues, nice there. And then you come over to the ticket counter. Now, you can buy the tickets to this on Klook. We looked, I think it was 90,000, but seeming I'm a permanent resident, I've got a cut to pay. We get in for local price, I think it's 50,000. So I'm not sure where they're going to get. You can pay extra and get the bus that takes you right up the top and then walk back. We might do that instead of walking up through it. Better off walking downhill than uphill. So anyway, we'll grab a ticket first and see how much it is. The ticket prices. Entrance ticket 150,000. Ultimate ticket and statue tour 350. Wow. Eat and trip entrance ticket and a meal package 250, or the buggy service to get up top 40,000. Okay, so we got local price because I got a proper card to pay. You get local price. Okay, so it was $18 for us too. Otherwise, you're stuck paying the ultimate statue tour and all that with a tour guide, I suppose, $350, $35 each. But the entrance ticket is $150 otherwise, and then $40, so you're paying about $190. We paid $180 for both of us, so one of the perks of having cut to pay. Alright, so Blue was just telling us there's a cultural dances and things like that on here. The next one's at 10 o'clock. They go on at certain times all day, so. Okay, I sort of feel, I don't know how I feel doing the touristy shit. We never really do much tourist stuff in Bali. When we travel, we normally do Thailand, Vietnam. Sometimes we do the tourist shit just to see, you know, the main attractions and stuff. But this is good because it's really not so busy. I don't know what it'd be like on a weekend or in the afternoon. Maybe it gets really hectic, but there's no one here, so that's good. Then you just come through, they check your tickets, and you get on one of these little shuttle buses, I suppose. They take you straight up to the big Wisnu statue first, and then from there you can go on a bit further, and then you've more or less got to walk back. So you can just see how they've cut out of the roads and that out of these limestone mountains. That's taken a lot of work to build it all, I suppose. So it actually used to be a limestone quarry years ago, and that's why it's all cut out in sections like this. And they used to use the limestone for building, for footings, for bricks, for all sorts of things. We've got a play area for the kids there, jumping castle, little cars and that you can rent. And that's it, so just a few minutes and you're up here at the top. And there it is. Wow, it's really big when you get next to it. It's massive. So what I'm going to try and do is get the drone up and just fly around it there. So it's actually like a lookout. You can go right up on the top and there's a lookout part of it. But it's like 350,000. I don't know what we get with a discount, local concession, but we didn't choose to go in. We just come up to have a quick look. And yeah, I'm going to get the drone up and suss it out. Alright, so you can come in and walk through, but you can't go up to the top. That's about it. So we're going to go in and have a look. Alright, they've got the gambling here. Alright. So they have the gambling music. So they must do music or something like that in here. He said you can walk through, so I'm going to try and walk through to the front, see what's going on the front. Okay, so inside here, we can't go through to the front, but inside here they've got gelato and things like that you can buy. So, anyway, or else you can go up in the lift up to the lookout. So this is a picture of the whole park. And they just got pictures of presidents, Jokowi and different presidents that have been here and stuff like that. Anyway, we can't get through to the front, which I wanted to do, but I droned it. Alright, so Yuli's going to have a go. Harder. Okay, that was a bit of fun, bit of a musical star. Hey, here we go. Let us have a go on the, what do they call those things? Anyway, that was a bit of fun, something different. So now we're just going to hang out here, get the bus back down. They drop us off, and yeah, we can walk back through to the bike. So we've only been here like 40 minutes, I suppose. It's not too bad to come out and have a look. It's like $9 each or something to come in, 90,000 each we got it, but it's a bit more expensive if you're just coming as a tourist. So I'd look on Klook, K-L-O-O-K. It's really good for buying tickets and bus trips and all sorts of stuff all over the world. Check it out, Klook. There's actually a link on my YouTube for Klook, so check that out. So here's a map of the park. Now we're actually here now at the big statue, and then they take you around and drop you, I think, around here, and then you can walk through past these other big statues on the way back to your bike, to the parking. So yeah, it's pretty good fun actually. It's better than what I thought. We probably should have gone up inside it to the lookout, but even with the discount, I think it was, how much was it with the discount for the things? So it would have been like 300,000. There's only a discount on the entrance fee for us, and you don't get it to go up into the cultural centre right up the top of the lookout, which I don't know, paying $70 for two of us to go up there is just not worth it. All right, so on the little mini shuttle, back down to the bottom. All right, so they just drop us down where the kiddies play area. You can see they can rent these little electric scooters and things for the kids. It's got a jumping castle. And otherwise, thanks for it. Now we walk back down, there's another few statues on the road. So we'll head up through here and see. Apparently there's a couple of other big statues up here. That's a good view here, the big statue and the cutout. It's another big park area. Alright, looks like to get to that statue you've got to go up a bunch of stairs, so I'll head up there and have a look at that one. And here's a big Garuda head up here. Walk up the top, check out these statues. Right, so this is the Plaza Garuda, just a big Garuda head. And I suppose you can go through to the top and see this other big one up here. Alright, so from up here you can see everything. You can actually see Benalla Harbour. There's the airport down there, Jimbron Beach. And I suppose you can even see Sanur from here. Yep, Sanur right over in the distance over there. Tanjung Benalla just here. Alright, beautiful view. A nice little temple just here. It's pretty big, 25 metres probably. Patong Wisnu. Yeah, it's really nice down here. It's got a little waterfall there. Unreal. So you got the big snake winding down the staircase here. Or is it a dragon maybe? It's a snake. King snake. Ananta Sesha, the snake, known as one of the primal beings of creation. Right, so if you can find the restaurant, you get a free drink with your ticket. Iced tea or something, so we'll go and do that. So you can see there's like bus loads coming in now by the look of it. They're all in groups, all wearing the same t-shirt, so we got here at the right time, first thing early in the morning when it first opened, because there's definitely a lot of people walking around here. Nice little lotus pond. Okay, so this must be the Jendela restaurant. It looks like it's open towards the ocean. You get a good view of the ocean. Hello, how are you? So this is a big restaurant here overlooking Jimbron Bay. Well, check that out for a view. This is all Benalla Harbour down here, Sanur over there. You see the airport, Jimbron Bay. You can even see Seminyak and that from here. Nice view. So what do you think, darling? Nice. A little soda water with mint leaves in it. It's not too bad actually. And a beautiful view of West Coast Bali. Actually tastes alright. It's got lemon and mint leaves just in soda water. It tastes nice actually. What do you think, darling? You don't like it? Don't like sour? Yeah, what a nice little restaurant it is up here. Got a big bar here and they do food and everything, so yeah, it's very big too. So anyway, thank you. So we're going to go down, get back on the bus and head down to the motorbike. Alright, there's another big restaurant here, Veranda. Or you can eat Indonesian cuisine. It must be like a buffet or something, yeah. Big souvenir shop too. So apparently you walk down here and get the bus from here. Okay, so that wasn't the pickup spot for the bus. It's down the bottom here, but they make you sort of walk past the little souvenir shops on the way down to the bus stop. So you're at least going to get a mixed way. If you haven't seen mixed way, they're everywhere. They're all over Asia actually. They're up in Thailand, Vietnam, everywhere in Malaysia. And it's just ice cream and drinks and stuff like that. Pretty good actually. Cheap and good. And then we're back at our starting point down the bottom here. So there's a fair few people in here, so You might have to wait for a bus. So what did you think of that? He really loves them long walks down to the bus, don't you?
And then the shopping centre, yes.
She only likes walking around shopping centres, yeah. Anyway, hope you liked that video. If you did, you know the drill, thumbs up and all that. See you on the next one.